What's going on, guys? Welcome to a new episode of Friday Fabric Finds for the week of April 4th, 2025. My name is Mason. I'm the inventory specialist.
And I'm Clint. I'm kit production manager.
In this series, we go through the newsletter with y'all and show y'all in person what each item is looking like. So without further ado, let's get started.
All right. First thing we want to talk about today is something that just arrived. We've got Plum Petals Bundles from Riley Blake. These bundles feature patterns of florals, ferns, leaves, and vines in colors of purple, green, and white. They're regularly priced at $77.96, but we've got them on sale for $56.96. So why not let your creativity blossom with these Plum Petals Bundles?
First collection we have for y'all today is from Free Spirit. It is the Eclectic Elements Palette Neutral. This is featuring the exclusive weathered quilt kits, fat quarter bundles, and the full collection of yardage in patterns of collages, stamps, tickets, maps, typewriters, gears, florals, and wood and marble textures and colors of course, neutral colors. So make sure to stay neutral with Eclectic Elements Palette Neutral.
Next up, we want to talk about Let Freedom Reign Batiks from Riley Blake. This collection features the Celebration Quilt Kits, 5-inch squares, the Fat Quarter Bundles, and a full collection yardage. This collection has patterns of stars, stripes, florals, fireworks, and vines, and the colors are, of course, red, white, and blue. So if that sounds good to you, I think it's time to sew up some pride with Let Freedom Reign Batiks.
Next collection we have for y'all is from Riley Blake. It is Machine Embroidery. This is featuring designers such as Lori Holt, Jennifer Long, and Modern Prairie. This includes a USB which contains all the files and instructions. This breaks down each project into clear, step-by-step, fully illustrated images accompanied by simple, easy-to-follow icons. So make sure to sew up a masterpiece with these machine embroidery projects from Riley Blake.
Now let's talk about Home to Roost from Robert Kaufmam. This is a small but full collection, and with that we've got the full collection yardage as well as the grocery bag kits. This collection is patterns of roosters, chicken coops, and sunflowers in springtime colors such as green, blue, yellow, red, and brown. I say it's time to rise and shine with Home to Roost.
Next thing we have for y'all is an item that's currently on sale. It is the Looking At You Quilt Kit from Northcott. The finished size for this is throw size of 62 by 62, and the original price of this was $90.96, but we have it on sale for you at $64.96. So make sure to catch this deal before it flies away.
Now let's talk about Bewitched from Timeless Treasures. This collection is patterns of haunted houses, pumpkins, bats, moons, ghosts, gravestones, as well as a roof tile blender. The colors for it are orange and blue. And with this collection, we've got fat quarter bundles, including a 24-inch panel, and the full collection of yardage. So why not haunt your stash with Bewitched?
Next item we have for y'all is a hot pre-order we want y'all to be looking at. It is the Land of Liberty Quilt Kits. This is featuring America 250 from Northcott. It includes a commemorative pin. The kits are scheduled to ship in October, November area. The price also is $119.96, so make sure to reserve your pride by pre-ordering the Land of Liberty kit from Northcott.
And as always, this week we want to talk about our bargains. This April, we've got new items added every single day. It could be remnants, kits, notions. You never know what else is going to be in there, so make sure you check daily because we update it daily.
Next thing we have for y'all is the comment of the week. This is where we pull a comment from last week's episode to read on this week's show. And this week we actually have two comments. The first one being from Brent. This is him saying, as a millennial, I'm dipping my toe back into quilting as I used to help my grandmother quilt when I was a kid. So cool to find y'all and this channel. Well, Brent, thank you, one, for watching. We very much appreciate that. It's awesome to hear that you're getting back into quilting. That's very, very awesome. It's always cool to pick up new hobbies. But again, thank you for just watching the show, and thank you for enjoying it.
And the second comment we have this week is from Pamela Colburn 4601. It says, hi guys, I think you need to change out your Valentine's bears for Easter bunnies or eggs. What do you think? Also, do you know when your next mystery sew-along will be? I'm anxiously waiting. Well, you're right about the Valentine's bears. We've changed them out for our little Easter bairnies. As far as the next mystery sew-along goes, it's such a mystery, we don't even know. So I will tell you that the very first information you're going to find for that is going to be in the Facebook group, and that link should be down in the description. So that'll definitely be the place to check. But thank you for leaving a comment, and thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and ring that bell for notifications. Leave a comment. Your comment might be featured in our comment of the week next week. And definitely make sure to follow us on social media. All the links are down in the description. We'll see you next week.